Alright, so let's look at how we can make a full ladder on Logisim. So the first thing we need are A and B inputs. So let's do that. A and B, we'll just rename them. This one's going to be A, and this one's going to be B. It's lowercase, I don't like that. Okay. So from here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be an XOR gate. So for an XOR gate, right here, let's put it right there. There we go. Connect our A and B to this XOR gate. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna need another XOR gate. So we're gonna have another XOR going from here to here. And it's gonna be taking one of these inputs to this XOR gate. All right. So now we need a CIN, also known as a carry in. Which is going to be identified with another input. We'll just put it right here. And I'm going to call it carry in, or it's going to be CIN. That's better, right? Okay. So let's take this CIN and connect it to our second XOR gate. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to get two AND gates. So let's get two AND gates. In this case, we'll have our first AND gate over here. And it's going to be connecting to the A and B. All right, so let's do that. So let's grab one, bring it over here. Let's grab this one, bring it to the B. There we go. Cool. So now what we need to do is we need to get another AND gate. So let's get another AND gate. Where is that? There we go. Let's get another AND gate. But this time, this AND gate is going to be connected to the CIN and this over here, whatever comes out of the XOR. So I'm just going to move it a little bit more up to the front, like so. I'm going to connect this straight into here. And we'll get this, and oops, we'll put him to this. Okay. Okay, so now we need an OR gate. So let's put our OR gate over here. And it's going to be taking whatever comes out of my two AND gates that I've just built. So let's get that. Oh, this one doesn't look connected to this one. Okay, let's get this one connected to this one. Very good. And we just need two outputs now. Okay, so we're going to have one output here and one output here. Now this output is going to be called our sum. And this is going to be called our carry out, C out. So I'm going to call it, yeah, I'll just do carry out. Why not? Okay. Oh, did not do it for some reason. Carry out. There we go. Okay. So now let's connect it. And let's simulate it. So we'll simulate. Let's do, say if you have 0, 0, 0, of course, we're going to have 0 sum, 0 carry out. Let's say we had 1, 1, 0, 0, we had 1 sum, and no carry out. 1, 1, we'd have 0 sum, 1 carry out. If we had 1, 1, 1, we will have 1 sum, 1 carry out. 1, 0, 1, we'd have 0 sum, 1 carry out, so on and so forth. You guys can test this out. So that's basically it for the full ladder. Hope this video helped. Have a good day.